This next one's super easy. Even Sierra was like, really, we're gonna do that? And I was like, yeah, it's gonna be fine.
Why is she making that face?
There's no burpees in it at all. No burpees at all.
Oh, no, she said she wished it was, so what the hell? Yeah.
Okay, there's no burpees, it's kickboxing, okay? So we're just, you know the kickboxing shuffle? You're gonna hear me say one jab, shuffle, one jab, shuffle, two jabs, shuffle, two jabs, do it again, two jabs. I can't figure out how to shuffle and do it at the same time, like I can't, it's like trying to do this, right? If you can shuffle and jab at the same time, do it, otherwise you'll see me pause. So it goes one, pause, double, pause, double, do it, doubles, double, pause, now single, double, go, one, two, do it again, one, two, okay? That's your breather. Now you have an option to walk this or jump it, but there's no squats.
Yay. Nobody's impressed.
I was impressed, no squats. So hands can go here, hands can go here, I don't care. All you're gonna do is jump your feet in and out. In, out, 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 in, out. Your choice. We're gonna do a whole bunch this way, and then we're gonna do two here, two here, two here, two here. And then, best part of the song, take your left leg, go kick, tap, kick, tap, kick, tap, kick, tap, kick, tap. Okay, so we're gonna do 7 of these, and then you're gonna hear me say shuffle your feet. All we're doing is shuffling our feet so that we get our right foot forward, okay? So let's count this down. We're gonna go 3, 2, 1. Now shuffle your feet. You can walk it, you can march it, and we do 7 on the other side. That's the whole song. That's it.
That's a good question.
It's Pitbull, so.
You know what spreads faster than any virus? It's fear. Now when it comes to fear, you can either forget everything and run. I said or you can face everything and rise. I believe. And let me tell you what I believe. I believe that. I believe we gon' face everything. I believe that we will win. It's not how you fall, it's how you get back up. And what don't kill us make us stronger, boy. Bet that up. Take a swing at us, you better hit hard. Cause when we swing back, it's like, oh God. It's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos darle duro este video. Say it with me. I believe, say it with me. The battle, but we gon' win the war. I'm from the bottom, I'm that uncut, real raw. When things get tough, that's when we show up. That's when we show out. That's when we show yo. It's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos darle duro esta vida. Say it with me. I believe, say it with me. Bottom line, no matter what, face everything and rise.